In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task on ClickUp. We'll walk through the process from inside a list or view, so you can quickly add tasks exactly where you need them and make sure all the important details are captured. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the specific list or space where you want your new task to live. Think of a space as a higher-level area for a team or project, and a list as the more focused place where the actual work items are stored. Taking a moment to choose the right list helps keep everything organized later on, so you and your team can find tasks easily. Once you're inside the correct list or view, look toward the upper right corner of the task pane. There, you'll see a button labeled Plus Task. This is the quickest way to add a new item. If you're working in a table view, you might also see a Plus New Task option at the very bottom of the table. Both buttons do the same thing, so use whichever is easier based on how you like to view your work. Go ahead and click on Plus Task or Plus New Task. A new task creation panel or row will appear. Start by typing in a clear, descriptive task name. Try to make it specific enough that anyone on your team can understand what needs to be done just by reading the title. After naming your task, add the details that matter for your workflow. You can assign the task to a person so it's clear who is responsible. Setting an assignee is especially helpful for teams because it prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. Next, choose a due date if there's a specific deadline. This will help with planning, scheduling, and reminders. You can also set a priority level to indicate how urgent or important the task is compared to everything else in your list. Take a moment to double-check these details. Having the right assignee, due date, and priority from the start makes managing tasks much easier later on and keeps your board or list meaningful at a glance. When everything looks good, finish by clicking Create Task. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Enter or Return to save the task instantly. Your new task will appear in the list or view you're currently in, ready to be updated, tracked, and completed as you work.